Hello scientists, I'm Hossein Ebrahimi, master degree student of Petroleum Chemistry and Refinery in Russia. Welcome to my research plan presentation. As a technical reports, around 9,000 billion barrel oil exists in the world. 30% of these are in form of a conventional and 70% in form of unconventional, around 6,000 billion barrel. There isn't precise reports about Russian heavy oil resources, but estimates shows that Russia has around 13 billion barrels technically recoverable heavy oil and 34 billion barrel technically recoverable of bitumen. It means if Russia keep 10 million barrel exportation in a per month, they will have heavy oil for around 116 years and around 283 years bitumen. In overall, for the next 400 years, Russia can keep 10 million barrel oil exportation per month. Nowadays, unlocking unconventional heavy and extra heavy oil reservoir are being big issue. Because of lack of technology in this area, there is some problem in upstream section, especially exploration, drilling, and in downstream section, especially in refinery and transportation section. My research area mostly focus on a section of upstream, especially in area of in situ or in place enhanced oil recovery. As we know, EOA enhanced oil recovery methods like thermal, gassy, and CO2 and chemical injection like polymer, nanomaterial, and with assistance of other methods like microbial electromagnetic heating or EMH, they try to increase heavy oil recovery more than 50%. Because of environmental and economical pressure, scientists try to combine methods like thermal and solvent in purpose of reducing production cost and with minimum environmental effect. I'm so glad to see you. Not only they try to increase oil recovery, also they try to do some primary oil refinery like reducing sulfur and other process in place, not after transferring oil to refinery, exactly in a place underground. It's the key factor for researcher. As a above explanation, I've decided to choose my research area. Using magnetic and paramagnetic nano or microparticle during electromagnetic heating for thermally enhanced oil recovery, especially West-Siberian heavy or extra oil. Okay, section 1. Here we go. I will try explain the procedure of this research by these pictures. In the first picture, you see overall procedure of oil extraction. You can see injection well for injecting nanomaterial, for example by water, and like that. Normal well depths in onshore drilling is around 1000 or 2000 meters, and in offshore drilling like Sakhalin project in Russia goes to 12,000 meters. Then in a heavy oil tank or reservoir, there is very viscous oil like heavy oil or extra heavy oil or bitumen, and there is some methods like SAGD, steam assisted gravity drainage, which is common nowadays for in situ exploration. Normally we have two horizontal wells, one of them for injecting solvent or steam or electromagnetic heating by antenna, special antenna, and in a below horizontal well we have production well, which is connected to vertical production well. After effect of heating solvent, nanomaterial or other thing, we can produce oil with a lower viscosity, which is suitable for transportation and primary refinery. I would like mention that the method of nano, gas and solvent injection can be used in conventional reservoir also, like light oil reservoir and so on. We increase heavy oil recovery more than 50-60-70% by these combined methods, horizontal well injection and so on. It's the concept of in situ or in place enhancing oil recovery. Section number 2 about research process. Here you can see overall plan. I've divided to 3 main sections. First, in. This step will be included providing nanomaterial and oil sample and list of equipment which I needed. Then, in a section of experimental tests, it depends on equipments of laboratory and level of research. I will try focus on effect of outside heating and nanomaterial on viscosity of heavy oils and extra heavy oils. At a PhD degree level, I want follow other sections like effect of nanomaterial, polymers on catalyzing heavy oils, and also implementing near reality tests in large scale and industry level. Also, working on numerical simulation should be another interesting area to me. At the end, final output of this investigation should be writing thesis, writing article in a scientific journal, and opening doors for future students who want to follow this interesting research area of science, especially for SVU students. This graph shows the process of collecting and buying material should be complete in 3 months. An experimental test needs 5 or 6 months. Also, writing thesis and article can start when this project approved by university or others who can help me. Section number 3. Heavy oil sample. In this picture, you will see how I want to choose samples from 5 different places in West-Siberian oil fields. You can see place number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and Russia map. It's a very big country. Every sample should have a special certificate and analyze book which named SA Air A analyze or SARA analyze, saturates, characterize asphaltens, resin and aromatic and so on. For example, you can see sample 1 analysis API degree, density, saturate, aromatic, resin, viscosity, sulfur percentage, asphalten, and also. As we know, we can pick up samples from oil production well straightly with mineral and water, which is my ideal research, and I hope I can follow it in a PhD degree or other level. I can have bitumen sample and residual which remain from distillation column after thermal cracking. As I know, it's a special research field which it's interesting for oil producer countries like Russia, Iran and other. In this kind of investigation, they will try to change petroleum, residual oil or heavy oil or remaining oil from distillation column to lighter hydrocarbons such as gasoline, kerosene and gas oil by oxidative cracking with steam and using catalyst. But last one I prefer is that using heavy or extra heavy oil after primary refinery and removing or reducing mineral and water and sulfur and so on. It's my ideal sample for doing and starting my research plan. Section number 4, nanomaterial. In this picture you can see kind of macro and nano powders which I want to use. This nano microparticle have many effects in during of in situ or in place enhanced oil recovery in form of catalyst, increasing wettability and so on. Different nano microparticles like iron, nickel, silicon, aluminium, copper and oxidated like iron oxide, nickel oxide, silicon dioxide, aluminium oxide, copper oxide will be investigated. I prefer to follow this research in both size of nanometers around 20, 40, 100 nanometers and micrometers 5, 6, 8, 9 micrometers. Also, I want to follow this research with composition of different kind of nano microparticle with outside effect like pressure, electromagnetic heating, injecting water, mineral effect, and so on. It's interesting to you if you know Earth's inner core composed of an iron-nickel alloy and some light elements. Experimental test, section number 5. This section of research is still under investigation, honestly. As we know, the principal factors affecting viscosity are oil composition, temperature, pressure, kind of solvent, nanomaterials, and other substances. I can follow 7 important research areas, but I prefer in that degree, master degree, I want focus on a composition of nanomaterial and different heavy oil types in a different temperature. Others will remain for future research in PhD degree or other students in the future, like effect of using different type of nanomaterials, different pressure, different electromagnetic heating in different frequencies, effect of nanomaterials as a catalyst, transportation, downstream problem solving, numerical simulation and software modeling, and some special tests like investigating the behavior of heavy or extra heavy oils on glass micromodal patterns, and so on. It was my research proposal. Thank you for being. Also, honestly, I need a grant, and I'm looking forward to finding good supervisor. Amount of grant, if it should between 1,000 or 5,000 euro, it will be suitable for me for buying equipment, nano and micro material, and this money actually will be remain in a university, because all of them will be spent for buying material and equipment. And if you are interested in my research area, please send me an email. Also, I'm looking for finding supervisor. My contact information is Hossein Ebrahimi @yahoo.com and hossein.ebrahimi.6@gmail.com. Thank you so much for being. Goodbye. До свидания.